So we start off today's video with this pixie faded haircut. Now this is a very edgy pixie style because it does feature a nice little design. Very modern and edgy hairstyle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some must-see TikTok hair ideas. So we have the next client starting off with a bob. The stylist quickly cuts off the hair. Mixes in some color, and wow, beautiful platinum pixie style. And then we move into this French girl bob transformation. This is a very popular hair trend that we started to see in 2023, and it will continue to grow in popularity as we continue to enter in 2024. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, here we have a beautiful 90s layered haircut idea. This is the perfect hairstyle for adding in some shape, volume, and movement to your strands. Very cute. So it looks like we have a bit of a long to short hair transformation here. So she didn't go too short. She just kind of shaped the hair, gave her some layers. Look at that fullness. So pretty. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she is going to be getting a bob. Few layers to frame out the face. Ooh, I love how this is just so chic. Simple, beautiful bob and makeover. So it looks like we have another layered style in the works. A little bit of color being added. Oh, he did kind of like an ombre effect here. Wow. Oh, her hair looks gorgeous. I love the way that the color came out. It's So pretty in those layers. So here we have someone, it looks like her hair has been through it. She's got some lavender here, some blonde. Looks like she wants a bit of a trim. Bangs. Whoa, okay, she looks like a completely different person. I love her as a redhead. I think the bangs really just frame out her face so nicely. That color is everything. Such a cute makeover. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair. Oh, she might be doing a big chop here. So the hair is sectioned and braided. Whoa, she's doing a complete buzz cut here. And I think she donated the hair because she did braid it. And it was sectioned off. Wow. Oh my goodness. So she bleached the hair, added in a fun little funky design with these hearts. Wow. Such a transformation. And then we have an undercut style here. And this is another great little edgy modern haircut to try out if you want to do something different. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.